Hi, David Rodgers here, Events Chair for the Ethernet Alliance. Interoperability is, if there was just one thing that the Ethernet Alliance promoted, it would be interoperability. It's the fundament of making certain that the technologies that are brought about by the customers and the marketplace do in fact work together. We spend a lot of time in the Ethernet Alliance hosting both private and public interoperability events. The private events are for engineers to come together and flesh out the specifications, take their ideas on how these specifications should be built, bring them to market in a way that they'll work for our customers. Publicly, we do a lot of these demonstrations to showcase all of that hard work and bring it about in such a way that customers can come visit a booth or a presentation and see technology really working the way it's supposed to. Out of the box, plug it in, minimal configuration requirements, and 99.999% operational efficiencies. Thank you.
Hi, this is Dave Estes at Spirent, here at the Ethernet Alliance booth at OFC 2024. And I'm going to describe a little bit about how we make our demo all come together. So the first step in the process is we start with a CFI we send to all of our member companies. We mention that we're going to be doing a booth here at the show, and we ask what technologies they're interested in showing, and is there any technologies that people want to highlight or any of the new latest emerging upcoming technologies that they want to focus on. After people join, we find our tech leads. Luckily this year we had 3 tech leads. We send out a request for our customers for what equipment they have available and what features they want to highlight, what technologies they would like to highlight. And then the 3 of us tech leads work together. We usually take separate parts of the demo diagram and we make it all work together, focusing on availability of parts, availability of switches and ports, and then everyone's priorities for what they want to highlight. So for example, this year LPO was one of the emerging technologies that we wanted to highlight. So we sent a request to all of our member companies and we said, hey, if you have LPO, please join us, please give us some of your parts so we can put them into the demo. After we get our list of everything that's available, we go ahead, put them into everybody's ports, and then we show as much interoperability as possible. So if we have LPO from vendor A and LPO from vendor B, we will make sure we have a connection between those 2 modules just to show that interoperability is working. And we do that not just for LPO, but for every technology we have. So 400ZR, we have everybody who is sourcing 400ZR connected together to show that we have interoperability there. We also do interoperability between modules and host. So inside of the switch boxes, we don't only stick with one ZR vendor, we put the ZR optics from everybody who is supporting there. So it truly is interoperability as much as possible within our demo there.